Here we have some beautiful pommes de terre, or apples of the earth, potatoes.
Happy holidays, everybody. We'll be doing my signature vegan cottage pie, sauteing the onions, cooking up the lentils, giving it a good saute, and adding your marinara.
And while the lentils are cooking, we will be working on our potatoes,
Cutting them into smaller pieces.
so that it cooks easily. We have pommes de terre, or potatoes, fresh from the valley. We're gonna be mashing them together, well seasoned with herbs, salt and pepper. We're gonna make it creamy and velvety using oat milk and vegan butter. Give it a good mash, top it on our lentils, and stick it in the oven. Give it a good broil for that nice, crisp, brown gratin. Crisp crust.
Putting them in a pot with hot water, seasoned with salt, of course. And after a couple of minutes, draining the potatoes, seasoning them even more, adding the vegan butter and oat milk, give it a good mash. Fusing all of those flavors and texture. Velvety, silky, comforting. Top it on your lentils and broil it, and voila. It's magic.
Turned out pretty great. Namaste.